Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Cloudflare Workers secrets for secure edge logic step by step clearly. To update Cloudflare Workers secrets, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard for your specific Workers project. Locate the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Secrets option under the Settings menu. You will see a list of existing secrets currently configured for your worker. To add a new secret, click that Add Secret button. A prompt will appear asking for the secret name and value. Input the desired name for your new secret. Enter the corresponding value securely. Once all information is filled out, click the Save button to store the new secret. If you need to update an existing secret, click on the three dots next to the secret you wish to modify. Select Edit from the drop-down menu. Change the secret value as needed in the provided field. Click Save to confirm the updated secret. To delete a secret, click on the three dots next to the secret name. Choose the Delete option from the menu. Confirm your choice in the prompt that appears. After managing your secrets, navigate back to the Workers dashboard. Deploy your worker to ensure the new or updated secrets are in effect. Test your worker to verify that the secrets are functioning correctly in your edge logic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.